So, dear friends of Sounds Good Animation and follower of our page, today the appointment of today is a cook lesson. So, we will propose to you one really simple specialty that you can make it directly at home. The things what we will prepare today, it's called Sahlab. What is Sahlab? Sahlab it's one typical drink that arrived directly from Egypt. It's a sweet drink, and just to tell you, one thing that I like it a lot is try wherever I go the typical food of the place. As we are in quarantine and all of us we are really bored at home, I can suggest you this typical Egyptian drink to prepare it. That it's really easy, and you need just easy ingredients to prepare it. So first things what you need is 1 liter of milk. Let's cover the advertisement. After you need potato flour. After you need coconut, but not the coconut, the real coconut. You just need the powder of the coconut. And after you need the cinnamon, sugar, pistaches, and mandel. Okay. First things what you have to do is take 1 liter of milk and put inside in one boiler. Oh la la. Of course, if you like it to do during when you prepare it, just to enter a little bit in the atmosphere, you can put in background some Egyptian music like me. After that, you need, of course, a spoon. Ta-da! And you should take the potato flour. Let's open the potato flour. Regarding the potato flour, you just need 2 spoons. But in case after you see, when you are cooking, that the milk doesn't become really a cream, you can add inside a little bit of flour more. But just to start, we just put 2 spoons. 1 and 2. Okay? After that, you need a sugar. 2 spoons of sugar. 1 and 2. And you mix it. Okay? Just mix it in the way that you understand that the potato flour, it's really mixed good with the, it's mixed with the milk. And after that I just present you all of the ingredients and I let you understand what you need and how much you need. We are going in the procedure number 2, but for that we need the fire, because we have to put the boiler on the fire. Wow. So, okay, ladies and gentlemen, now we are ready for the procedure number 2. So means that after that we mix the milk, the sugar and the potato flour, we should open the fire. Take care that the flame of the fire is not so hot, otherwise you can risk that you can burn the cream that you are preparing. So after that we put that on the fire and we have to wait
a few inches later,
15 or let's say 15 minutes, that you understand that it's ready. When you start to feel it, the milk, it become like one cream. Creamy! In this time I can just tell you some things about the Sahlab. As I told you before, it's one Egyptian specialty, and for the people who really like to travel, discover the world and see a lot of different countries like me, I can just tell you that the most amazing and cool things is to try the typical food of the place where you go. So in case in the future you will visit a new nation, a new country, don't be afraid to taste or to try the typical local food, because Can be really good and really tasty. I drink for the first time the Sahlab by mistake in one Egyptian bar when I was in Marsalam in south of Egypt. Marsalam was my home for 2 years, let's say. I drink it the first time by mistake and I fall in love for this specialty. Now, see it like this, it looks a little bit, oh, what's that? No, I can tell you that it's really tasty. And after, when we will continue with the procedure and you will see the other ingredient that we will put inside, can be a really nice snack for the afternoon, most for the time when, I don't know, it's start to be a little bit cold and rainy outside. It's with a completely natural ingredient. You don't need any, let's say, strange things inside, because technically it's really simple. It's just milk, potato flour, sugar, and after for the decoration of the sweet you can add powder of coconut, you can add pistachios, you can add nuts.
These nuts.
You can add cinnamon. Technically, you can drink also with next of the cup that you prepare for you. You can add 2 or 3 biscuits to it together, or inside you can also put dry fruit. You can add whatever you want, even chocolate powder if you like to don't taste so much the milk, but you like more chocolate. Together inside you can put also chocolate powder. It's really easy. Okay, as I told you before, in case you understand that the milk after a little bit time doesn't become cream, you can add a little bit more of flour potato, but first wait 15 minutes, you know, to understand that. Should not be necessary, but in case, you know, you see that doesn't become really a cream, means that probably you put a little bit more too much milk and less flour potato.
6.5 hours later.
In this time I can that we wait, I can tell you that please follow, share and love Sounds Good Animation. That in all of this afternoon that we are forced to be in quarantine at home, it is working for you, because we are making some things just to entertain you from home. We do it with love and pleasure, and just we pray that all of this time will be done soon. Okay, I can start to see that the consistency start to be like a cream, as I told you before. Look. Wow.
Wow.
Shut down the fire and go, and we are going in the third scene, let's say, third act of our preparation. So means that now we will, let's say, decorate a little bit our Sahlab. Okay, stay with us. So, ladies and gentlemen, as I told you, now we are going in the third part of the preparation of our Sahlab. So means that now we have to decorate a little bit our amazing drink. Okay, so to decorate our Sahlab, as I told you, we need nuts that we are going to open. Voila. Nuts. We have pistachios. In case the pistachios they are not in small part, you can use that and you can break it, so they become more useful for what we have to do, just like this. So as you can see, from big they become a little bit smaller. Okay, so as I told you, After, you can decorate the Sahlab as you wish. You will put the Sahlab in a cup. After that, to decorate, what you need one small spoon. Et voila. Take one small spoon. Here we have our Sahlab. And you can put on the powder of coconut. Just like this. And our Egyptian drink is almost done. After that, we put a little bit of nuts, and as I showed you before, pistachios. We can put a little bit of cinnamon. It depends from your taste. And some things that I really like to put inside, it's dry fruit. Just to decorate a little bit. You can help yourself with the hand in case your spoon doesn't work. And after, your Sahlab is ready. Here are the final results. Voila! And now, of course, we are going to taste it. Amazing.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg!
So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much to watching us. Like, love, and share Sounds Good page. And I wait you next time for a new cooking lesson for something really easy that you can prepare it directly from your home. Thank you so much. Stay with us. Andrà tutto bene.